let's look at the solutions for the percentages analysis task. Take note that there'll be marks lost if the money is not in 2 decimal places and if the dollar sign is not used. Okay, looking at it. Convert now Miss Shantari is a person who runs DS trucks and runs 30 trucks. Convert the following to the nearest whole number as necessary. What's 80% of the trucks? In simplest form would be 4/5. Write 37% as a decimal number. You would write that as 11. Convert 16 out of 30 to a percentage, 53%. One DS truck has a mass of 50 tonnes. Its load makes up 70% of this mass. So 0.7 times 50 would be 35 tonnes of load and 15 tonnes of truck. 1 week, DS has 20 trucks on the road and finds that 14 of them arrive back earlier than scheduled. What percentage arrives back earlier? So we're starting with an amount, one amount as a percentage of another amount, and then we're finishing with a percentage. So that's type 2, 14 over 20 multiplied by 100 equals 70, or 0.70, and so therefore 70% of trucks arrived back early. Mr. Riley Man fixed 60 door handles, truck door handles in September, and then in October he fixed 72. What percentage increase? So when we do an increase, it's type 2. We have the difference over the original amount multiplied by 100. So 72 minus 60 is 12. So 12 over the original amount, 60 times 100. We have a 20% increase. Now, DS buys car seat covers for $24 plus GST. 10% GST, which is 0.1. 0.1 is 2.4. So if you, in one sentence, put 24 plus 0.10 times 24, you get $26.40 for your answer. DS bought a used truck for $12,500. That should really be one too many zeros there, so $12,500, and later sold it for $8,000. So again, we go the difference over the original amount. Difference is 4,500 over the original amount, 12,500, comes to 0.36. Therefore, we have a loss of 36%. This one you will recognise. I did this one in class. Okay, 5 friends go for lunch. They divide it evenly. It's going to be, it's going to be 1/5 of the bill. Doesn't want to do that. Let's get rid of that. Okay. Now, how much will each person pay? Divided $84 divided 5 ways, it's 16.8. So each person pays $16.80. Ginger, she spent $21. So if you divide 84 by 21, you'll find that she spent a quarter of the bill, but only had to pay $16.80. So when you take $16.80 from 21, you'll notice that Ginger saved $4.20. The friends loved their lunch and were happy to give some tip. This is slightly different to what we had in class. The amount of cash they had for tips was $35. What percentage tip did the friends give to the cafe? So it was 35 out of 84 multiplied by 100. So one amount as a percentage of another amount. This is type 2. So we had 41.6 or 42% tip. I don't mind which way you went. Okay, person buys tickets. They were 220. All right, and bought 6 of them, and the scalper was able to sell them for $370. So it's $150 per ticket. $150 per ticket for each of those tickets. So 6 times 150, therefore the profit is $900. What percentage profit on this transaction of buying and selling 6 tickets? So 6 times 150 was 900. The original amount of 1320, because 6 times 220 tickets, and that 900 out of 1320 times 100 comes to 0.681 recurring, 68% profit. Okay, then we're looking at only sold 4 of them, so 4 by 370 would be $1,480. Still made a profit because 1480 is more than 1320. Still made a profit of $160. And what's his new profit or loss percentage? So 160 out of the 1320 multiplied by 100. Doesn't like my pen for some reason. Then comes 0.12 recurring. 12% is his new profit, or 12.12 precisely, but happy if you round it off to 12%. So, gentlemen, there we go.